I found 19 ways to use GoHighLevel that are so good it honestly feels illegal. From building a complete social media selling system to creating AI talking websites. I'm going to walk you through several systems you can build and show you exactly why I think this is the best CRM platform on the market right now. And I know what I'm talking about because I run a social media marketing agency that uses GoHighLevel every day. And over the last 6 months, we've generated over $2.6 million in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick just so you can see this is legit. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is. Over $2.6 million in revenue, and we have roughly 350 active clients. Now, if you're not familiar with GoHighLevel, it's an all-in-one platform that's become one of the most popular tools for agencies and small businesses. Most people know it for its CRM, its funnel builder, its email and text marketing, its calendar booking, and managing all your contacts. It's basically every tool you'd normally pay for separately, all bundled into one platform. But here's the thing. The real power of GoHighLevel isn't the features. You can have all the features in the world and still not make a dime. The real power is building a process and a system around these features for your own agency and your clients. That's what separates people who sign up for HighLevel and cancel after a month from people like me who've been using it to run a business with 350 clients. It's not about having the tools. It's about knowing how to stack them together into a system that actually produces results and makes money. And that's exactly what I'm about to show you. And if you want to follow along with anything I'm showing you, then click the first link in the description to get an exclusive 30-day free trial. All right, let's jump in with chapter 1. Build a social media selling system. Let's start off with something I'm very passionate about. There are so many businesses out there that don't have a consistent social media presence. And with the release of some brand new GoHighLevel features, you can now offer a consistent social media presence for your clients and your own business. And you can do this without knowing design, without using Canva, and without being a social media expert. Here's what you can do. Way number 1. Create a full calendar of single image social media posts in minutes. I actually showed this in one of my previous videos where I found an HVAC company that had over 9,200 Google reviews, but only 13 Instagram followers. So I opened up Ask AI inside of HighLevel and gave it 3 simple prompts. In the first prompt, I told it to create the social media graphics. The second prompt told it to enhance the designs. And the third prompt scheduled everything out for the entire month. 3 prompts. That's it. No Canva, no design skills, no back and forth with a graphic designer, just 3 prompts and you have a full calendar of content ready to go. Now that's powerful on its own, but if you really want to improve reach, then you need carousels. Number 2, create engaging carousel social media posts. Carousel posts tend to get even more engagement than single images. So I found a tree service company and I used that same Ask AI workflow to create carousel posts. And these weren't generic carousels either. I created educational content like 5 signs your tree is about to fall, before and after content showing yard transformations, and brand story content highlighting their 50+ years in business. All of these were created and scheduled using Ask AI with the same 3 prompt approach. Now you've got posts going out consistently, but what if you could also use that content to actually capture leads? Well, you can. Number 3, create a lead magnet using AI Studio. Now here's where things get really interesting. With AI Studio, you can create lead magnets that actually capture leads for your clients. And I'm not just talking about basic PDFs and checklists. I'm talking about interactive mini apps. Let me show you what I mean. I recently built a mini tax strategy app using AI Studio. It's called Tax Strategy Pro, and it actually presents various tax strategies to business owners and calculates their potential tax savings. The person enters their name, email, and phone number to unlock the tool, and then it walks them through different deductions and entity optimizations for their business. Now imagine building something like this for an accountant who's trying to get new leads through social media. The accountant gets the leads' contact information, the business owner gets real tax saving strategies, everybody wins. And the best part is I built this entire app with AI. No code, no developer. Now you might be thinking, okay, that's cool, but how do I actually get people to use it? That's exactly what the next one is for. Number 4, automate comment to DM conversions. This is where the lead magnet and social media posts work together. You take that tax strategy app you just created and you use it to drive engagement on your social media posts. So let's say the accountant posts a carousel that says 5 hidden ways to save on taxes. And on the last slide says comment save to get access to my free tax strategy app. Now, inside of HighLevel, there's a comment to DM automation feature where anytime someone comments a specific word on one of your posts, the system automatically sends them a direct message. So someone comments the word save and instantly they get a DM with the link to the tax strategy app. They enter their information, they start exploring tax strategies, and the accountant just captured a warm lead without lifting a finger. No manual work, no missed leads. You're using the social media posts from way number 1 and number 2 to promote the lead magnet from way number 3, and then automatically delivering it through the comment to DM automation. This is something I've even set up for myself and can't wait to show the results in a future video. So when you put all 4 of these ways to use GoHighLevel together, then you have a complete social media selling system. You're creating the content, you're creating an effective lead magnet, and you're automatically converting engagement into leads by delivering it through DM, all inside of GoHighLevel. By the way, GoHighLevel is the platform I use to manage my agency and all of my clients. If you haven't tested it out yet, you have to try it using my link in the description below. And if you use my link, you'll also get access to my full AI business blueprint course completely free. All right, let me keep going. Chapter 2, create AI talking websites. A lot of businesses already have a website, but you know what they don't have? A talking website. And if you never heard of that before, a talking website is basically a website that can have conversations with its visitors. This is mainly through a chat widget powered by AI. And these types of websites have higher conversion rates than ones that don't. And here's what you can do to set this up. Way number 5. Use AI Studio to build professional websites. I showed this in one of my videos where I found a landscaping company that had 5-star reviews on Google, but no website at all. So I went into AI Studio and gave it one prompt describing what I wanted, and it built the entire website. Then I gave it a second prompt asking it to optimize for conversions, and it added all the right elements. One prompt to build, one prompt to optimize. No code, no tech skills, yet the website looked like something you'd pay a developer thousands of dollars to create. But a beautiful website that doesn't convert is just an expensive business card. So here's how you fix that. Way number 6, optimize for conversions with forms, calendars, and chat widgets. Every website should be optimized to get the most conversions possible. And inside of HighLevel, you can easily add lead capture forms, appointment booking calendars, and chat widgets. So now when someone visits the website, they can fill out a form to request a quote, they can book an appointment directly on the calendar, or they can start a conversation through the chat widget. These are the things that turn a website from a digital brochure into an actual lead generation machine. But this next part is where it gets crazy. Way number 7. Connect the chat widget to an AI agent. One of the best things you can do is connect that chat widget to an AI voice agent or a conversational AI agent inside of HighLevel. Now, when someone visits the website and starts a chat, they're not just getting a basic chatbot. They're having a real conversation with an AI that can answer questions, book appointments, and qualify leads.
Hey, this is Alex from the agency. How can I help you today?
The voice AI in HighLevel now has sub 600 millisecond response time, so it actually feels like talking to a real person. It can book appointments in real time, and if it can't handle something, it has a backup mode to transfer to a real person or send an email notification. With these features, you can start a big website design agency, but if you don't want to manage clients, then there are other things you can do. Let's talk about that in chapter 3, make money online. Now, if you don't want to start an agency or manage clients, there are some other easy ways to make money online with HighLevel. And these are things you can do completely on your own. Way number 8, build digital products with AI Studio. I'm talking about mini apps, ebooks, SOPs, playbooks, cheat sheets, all kinds of stuff. I recently used this feature to build my own digital product from scratch. I used Ask AI to create a 42-page SOP playbook. Then I used AI Studio to build the sales page, then connected Stripe for payments, set up a secure delivery system with access codes, and published the whole thing on a custom domain. The entire process from idea to published product took minutes, not days. And once it's live, it just sits there making money. And if you want to go even deeper than a one-time digital product, wait until you see this next one. Way number 9, build online courses and communities. You can also build entire online courses and communities using HighLevel's membership feature. And here's the part most people don't realize. You can do this for yourself or you can do this for other businesses. Let me show you what I mean. You would use Claude to write the entire script for each lesson. Then you use Claude to create the presentation slides. Then you use an AI avatar tool like HeyGen to record the business owner or a professional presenter delivering the content. Here's a quick example of one of my AI course videos. In this lesson, I want to show you the different ways you can use it and how to actually get meetings with it. But first, let's talk about niches. Before you start reaching out to anyone, you need to pick a niche. Putting this all together just took a few minutes using Claude. And once you're done creating the video, then you use HighLevel's membership feature to host all the courses. You can organize lessons into modules, drip content over time, build a community around it, or anything that makes sense for your agency or clients. Now, of course, none of this matters if you can't actually collect the money. So let me show you how HighLevel handles that too. Way number 10. Collect payments with HighLevel's payment features. You can execute contracts, collect payments through invoices, set up recurring subscriptions, and create payment links. So whether you're selling a $39 digital product, a $497 course, or a $500 per month service, you can handle all of that without needing a separate payment platform. Everything stays inside of HighLevel. Way number 11, white label and create your own AI-powered software. You can take one or all of the ideas we just covered and package it into your own AI-powered software using HighLevel's software mode feature. You essentially white label GoHighLevel so it looks like your own software, your own branding, your own domain, your own pricing. And now instead of just selling a service, you're selling software. You can take two routes, either build an AI-powered service where you do the work for clients or build AI-powered software where clients use the tools themselves. Both can work. The agency service route typically requires you to be more hands-on, but can often make more money since you can charge more. Whereas the software route allows you to be more hands-off, do less work, but often comes at the cost of lower ticket clients and more churn. Choosing comes down to your personal lifestyle and financial goals. But either way, you will still be able to take advantage of Chapter 4. Increase efficiency and results. All right, now let me show you some things you can implement with HighLevel that will boost your own productivity and your clients' results. This is the stuff that lets you scale without burning out. Way number 12, manage hundreds of clients for one flat price. As you know, I have over 350 clients and we set each one of those up inside of HighLevel with their own sub account and their own features. And we used to pay just one flat price, which was $297 a month for the unlimited plan, but now we've upgraded to the annual top tier package. This is still crazy to me because before this, I had to pay for each client account I set up on other software and it cost us thousands. Let me show you this real quick. Take a look at this bill from Zoho where we paid over $21,000 just for social media management CRM features. With HighLevel, I manage more than 10 times the clients for a fraction of the cost. That alone should tell you how powerful this platform is. Now the question becomes, how do you actually onboard all those clients without losing your mind? That's exactly what this next one solves. Way number 13. Create snapshots for instant client onboarding. If you're working with the same type of client every month or solving the same problems, then you need to be using snapshots. When you onboard a new client, you don't start from scratch. You load a pre-built snapshot that already has your automations, email templates, pipeline stages, forms, and workflows configured. All you do is customize the branding, connect their accounts, and they're live. What used to take days now takes less than an hour. And the more clients you onboard, the more time you save because the snapshot does all the heavy lifting. Now, once your clients are set up, you need a way to actually manage all the work. And this next one completely changed how I run my day-to-day. Way number 14, turn Ask AI into your business operating system. Ask AI turns HighLevel into a full business operating system. It can literally read everything within your account and actually work on tasks for you. It can write a custom email, set up an agent, send a text message, and more. But now there are 2 or 3 new features that make this even better. Memory and mobile. With the new memory feature across conversations, the AI will never forget important details you give it, which means it will remember exactly how you like to do things and will get smarter and smarter over time, becoming a well-trained AI assistant you can assign tasks to whenever you need to. You can also import memory from your old AI models like ChatGPT or Claude. So if you've already spent time training those, you won't lose any progress. Everything transfers right over. And Ask AI is now available on mobile so you can get work done on the go. You're sitting in an Uber, you pull out your phone, open Ask AI, and create content for 3 clients before you get to the airport. That's the kind of efficiency we're talking about. And while Ask AI handles the creative work, there's a whole other layer of HighLevel that handles things automatically without you even being involved. Way number 15, set up automations that run while you sleep. There are a few more features built into HighLevel that really help improve efficiency and results. For example, there are all kinds of automations you can set up. You can automate review requests to increase 5-star reviews. You can set up nurture sequences that follow up with prospects automatically. You can automate appointment confirmations and reminders so no one forgets to show up. It feels like the sky is the limit when it comes to the automations you can set up. And then there's the small stuff that makes a huge difference, like the missed on call text back feature. If someone calls your client's business and nobody answers, the system automatically sends that person a text message. Something simple like, "Hey, sorry we missed your call. How can we help?" These little things really make a big difference when it comes to maximizing outcomes for your clients. Which brings me to Chapter 5, retain clients month after month. Let me show you 4 ways HighLevel helps you retain clients that most people completely overlook. Because getting clients is one thing, keeping them is where the real money is. Way number 16. Use the conversations feature to show momentum. Something that a lot of people miss when it comes to HighLevel is how powerful the conversations feature is for retaining clients. Every single message from multiple channels flows right into the conversations tab. Once you start integrating all the channels, you and your client will quickly become aware of potential opportunities that may have been missed. Because keeping up with all your messages between Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, Google My Business, email, text, WhatsApp, and more can be time consuming when you have to switch between multiple apps and platforms. But with HighLevel, everything is in one place. And when your client sees all of these conversations happening in one centralized inbox, they can see the momentum. They can see that your services are driving real engagement and real conversations. Now, what if your client didn't even need to log in to see all of this? Way number 17, get clients to install the Lead Connector app. This one is huge. If you get your client to install the Lead Connector app, they'll be able to see all their messages from conversations straight on their phone. But it gets even better because now they are constantly seeing the new leads, the appointments, and other conversations you are sparking through your services. Every time they pick up their phone and see a new notification, that's a reminder of the value you're providing. This shows the momentum is real and gives clients the confidence to pay month after month because the value is right there in their face nearly every day. This is one of the simplest things you can do, and it has a massive impact on retention. And when it's time to actually sit down and show your client what you've accomplished, this next one makes you look like a completely different level of agency. Way number 18, pull consolidated reports. With HighLevel, you can pull up one dashboard and show clients their calls, leads, bookings, reviews, social media stats, email opens, pipeline movement, all in one place. Most agencies cobble together screenshots from 5 different tools and paste them into a Google Doc. That looks amateur. With HighLevel, you pull up one clean dashboard and walk them through everything. This makes you look more professional than agencies 10 times your size. And when a client sees all of their data organized like that, it builds trust. It builds confidence. It makes them feel like they're working with a real operation. Now, even with all of that, some clients will still want to cancel. It happens. But here's the move that most agencies don't know about that keeps revenue coming in even when a client walks away. Way number 19, the downsell. Now, because there are so many features in HighLevel, it's unlikely your client isn't using any of them. Even if they want to cancel your main service, chances are you can downsell them to a lower plan. Maybe it's a small hosting fee of $97 a month to keep the assets you built, like the smart talking website, the AI voice agents, or a course you helped them launch. The point is they're still using something you built inside of HighLevel. And as long as they're getting value from it, they'll keep paying. This is how you build recurring revenue that stacks over time. Even the clients who cancel are still paying you something every single month. All right, those are 19 ways to use GoHighLevel so well that it actually feels illegal. And the truth is, I could have kept going. This platform just keeps adding new features and new AI capabilities that make it easier and easier to build and scale a real business. If you haven't tried GoHighLevel yet, use my link in the description to start your free trial, and you'll get my full AI business blueprint course for free. Now, coming up next, I have a video where I show you exactly how I built a complete AI service you can sell for $599 a month using just one tool inside of HighLevel. So go check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.